Welcome back, everybody. Question 22 is about energy. It's a term specific energy. Don't panic. Look at the unit joule, megajoule per kilogram. Okay, so let's talk about, look at the question, mass of fuel used to accelerate the car. So how much energy is gained? 1000 kilogram, 20 meter per second from rest. Okay, so the energy output is a half mv square. Okay, half 1020 square. So you calculate it and then you get it is the 200,000 joules, 200 kilojoules. And then efficiency only 1/3, so the input energy has to be triple that, right? More, so 3 times this 200 kilojoules, so it is 600 kilojoules. And use the terminology mega, okay? So it's 0.6 megajoules. 50 mega for 1 kilogram. So how much is for 0.46 mega? So the mass in kilogram is 0.6 over 50. And this is a kilogram. And then you do it slowly, and then you get it's 0.012 kilogram. No solution. Gram. Okay, so multiplied by 1000 is 1.2 grams. No, 12 grams. Sorry, 12 grams. Multiplied by 1000, 12 grams. So the answer is C. It is hard, okay? You don't have a calculator, but you can still do it. Well done.